Okay, so before you vote, you need to ensure that your KYC details have been verified. Hello, Wiki Cat Army and all viewers. We have a great opportunity to be listed on one of the biggest exchanges. Wiki Cat has been selected alongside 10 projects to be voted for a free listing on Gate.io. This video will be showing us the step-by-step process on how we can win. First off, we need to tap on the voting link. The voting link will be shared in the caption below. Once the link opens up, we need to then log in. Okay, but before we log in, let's see what we have here. It says depositing votes for listing 3 is on the way. In this round of candidate voting, 5 projects with the largest number of votes among the 10 candidates will enter the final vote. Voting period, May 20th to May 23, 7 a.m. UTC. Voters who have a Gate.io account can cast a vote directly for the supported project. Deposit is not required in the candidate voting round. So from this statement, it means that we'll be having 2 rounds. Okay, so let's go on. It says users can only vote for one project. Any cheating behavior like bulk registration or fake accounts are prohibited. Valid voters need to complete KYC 1 verification. As you can see, it says valid voters need to complete KYC 1 verification. So for your votes to be valid, you need to have done your KYC. You can't just open up this page and go right ahead to vote and submit. No, you need to complete your KYC verification, and this video will be showing you how to do all this for your vote to be valid, and so we win this round. So let's go right ahead and log in. So we tap on the login tab, and then we impute the login details. If you're yet to register on the exchange, you need to sign up. So just tap on the sign up tab up there and impute required details for you to register on the exchange. Okay, so I'm imputing my login details now. Okay, and then I log in. All right, so this captcha comes up and verify that I'm not a robot. Okay, and then I'm required to impute the code, SMS verification code. So if you used your email address to sign up, then you just get your code from your email. However, I must mention that if you're having difficulties registering with your email address, you can just use your phone number. Okay, so we're in. Great. So for us to get in and do our registration, that is our KYC registration, we need to tap on the user icon at the top here. Okay, then we tap on KYC identification. Okay, great. Then we scroll up and then we tap on KYC 1 basic verification. I'll tap on the verify now. Great. So we're required to fill this form. Then it says our nationality is Nigeria. Okay, this is automatically being filled. However, if you want to change, you can just tap on it and just impute your country, Nigeria. Okay, so the country of residence, impute your country of residence, then impute your first name. For this video, for video purposes only, I'll be using SMC DAO as my first name and last name. Then for ID number, you need to impute a number from your ID card. Probably it's your passport or your national ID card or your driver's license. So for this video purpose only, I'll be using this number and then I submit. Okay, so it says success. Great, the materials are submitted successfully. Staff needs 5 minutes or so to review them. Okay, so we need to impute your KYC details, your real KYC details. Okay, so if your KYC details are not correct, I'm not sure that it will be approved. So impute the real KYC details. And once all this is done and once the staff has verified, then you go back to the voting page. Okay, and then we vote for our project Wiki Cat. So we tap on Wiki Cat and then we tap on submit. So once we tap on submit, we need to verify the captcha again, verify that you're not a robot. Okay, and then you have successfully voted. Okay, so before you vote, you need to ensure that your KYC details have been verified. Okay, remember, you just tap on the user icon and then you tap on KYC identification. Okay, so we can see here that we have a green check now. So I believe that the staff has verified this. Remember, they just said the staff needs 5 minutes to just confirm your details. And yeah, we can see that the basic KYC verification has been verified. So your vote can now be valid. So if your KYC verification hasn't been verified, the vote will not be counted. So we need to make every vote count, guys. So let's ensure that we're doing everything the right way. Okay, so please, we need every community to get behind us and we need to bring this win home. We need to bring this win home. This is very important for us, guys. The Wiki Cat must win this round. Okay, so I hope this video has been helpful, guys. Like this video, make a comment if you need clarification on anything, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in our next video.